Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time wheel project. First, let's understand its purpose. A time wheel helps visualize and manage your daily schedule effectively. It's a fantastic tool for productivity and time management. We'll start by gathering some basic craft supplies. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardboard, a compass for drawing a perfect circle, and various colored markers to differentiate your activities. Now, let's prepare our main components. Using your compass, draw a large circle on the cardboard, aiming for about a 10-inch diameter. Carefully cut out the circle. Next, precisely mark the center point. This will be crucial for attaching the spinner later. Then, using a ruler and protractor, draw 24 radial lines from the center to the edge, dividing your wheel into equal hourly segments. With your wheel divided, it's time to add the details. Label each of the 24 segments with the corresponding hour, ensuring clarity from 1 a.m. to 12 a.m. Next, cut out a smaller, arrow-shaped pointer from a contrasting color of cardboard. This pointer will move around your wheel. Finally, use a brad or a paper fastener to securely attach the pointer to the exact center of your main time wheel. Now for the fun part, customization. Use different colored markers to color code segments for various activities, like green for work, blue for personal time, or red for appointments. This visual distinction makes your schedule easy to grasp at a glance. Regularly review your daily schedule and adjust your time wheel to reflect any changes. It's a dynamic tool designed to help you stay organized and on track. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.